Now, if you think you are tired, I mean, the people on camera right now joining us have been up all night walking from Twickenham. Why have you done that?
It's basically for our good friend Steve Kerslak, who runs a mental health awareness charity, and it's basically to raise awareness and bring it to the forefront within the construction and sport industry, to put the two together and show how that can help with raising awareness for mental health and well-being, basically.
Amazing. What's the charity?
It's Steve Kerslak's charity. Where is Steve?
Steve's over there.
Steve's just getting an interview.
Construction Sport.
Construction Sport is the name of the charity. Yeah.
Amazing. And so everyone here has been up. What time did you leave?
We left. We left Ipswich about 8:30. Got to Twickenham and then left Twickenham at 12 o'clock, and obviously arrived just in time. 9.5 hours later.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how tired are you?
100% 10.
100% 10. Amazing.
We've got a few hours left in us.
Yeah, we've got a few hours. We've been promised a free breakfast, so we can always hang on for that.
I mean, you can hang on for the free breakfast, right? Definitely. So how was it? How did you find it, staying up all night? Was the motivation there, or did you flag at some point?
I think everybody had their moments, and everyone sort of, but being in such a big group, and a lot of these guys, we haven't met a lot of these guys, but the camaraderie between the groups and everything was fantastic, and that sort of spurred everyone on. Everybody went in little groups and broke up, and yeah, it was a fantastic achievement, and
still with the aches and pains.
A great,
definitely aches and pains.
The aches and pains are still there. Did you all know each other before?
No, we've done some of these walks before. Steve's organised a few of these other walks, and some of us have done them, some of us haven't. So yeah, this is my second one, but yeah, enjoyed it, and yeah, I don't want to say we'll be back, but I'm sure he'll rope us in, and we will be back.
You'll so be back. I mean, what an amazing event. Congratulations. This is just incredible. Go and enjoy Construction Week. Go and enjoy your breakfast as well.
Thank you very much.
Lovely. Thanks very much indeed.
Cheers.
Thank you.